gonna make some soup real quick, and you guys are gonna get to watch. Okay, so I got some water here. I'm just turn the stove up, get this going, and get the water cooking. And I'm just gonna start adding stuff to it. Okay, well, my soups are real simple. I just cut this stuff up into pieces, throw it in here. Okay, so we're throwing in the cabbage. One cabbage. I'm gonna throw in a jalapeno. Go ahead and throw in the 2 potatoes. What are you doing, girl? Throw in some cilantro. Look out. Okay, I'm throwing in a can of mixed vegetables, and I'm gonna throw in a can of mushrooms. And I got some Celtic sea salt here. I'll throw some of that in there. And I'm gonna see if I can find my garlic, because I really want my garlic in here. Okay, I need to get rid of some of this water. Look at that, girl. Look at it. Okay. That. And then some. Okay. Throw this in there. Okay, I've got some onion, some ginger, and some garlic. I'm going to throw some of this in there as well. So I'm just going to peel this sticker off. Okay, I'm gonna peel this. I leave the skin on these things. I'm just gonna throw them in their whole. I'm gonna put this whole thing in here because garlic is good stuff. What's up, kitty kitty? What's up, buddy? I'm gonna open up this can of mackerel, and for the kitty cat's sake, I'm gonna go ahead and throw some in here, and I'm gonna give some to the cat since she's nursing. Call me a sucker. Yeah, I'm gonna put some ginger in here. I'd like to plant some ginger. I wonder if I can plant it right off of this stuff. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. Okay. Okay. Hey, kitty kitty. Yeah. Come here. Come on. Up. Ooh. There you go. Okay, well, that's about it on this end. It's been going for 18 minutes now. I'm gonna let it cook for another 40 or 45 minutes, I guess. And we'll take a look at it then. Okay guys, it's been 55 minutes. I'm gonna throw some fish sauce in here. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of sriracha. Actually, I'm gonna throw a lot of sriracha. And I'm gonna go ahead and stir this up and I need to get a bowl. Take a look at what we got. Oh, that's good stuff. Well, that's spicy. That's a lot of jalapeno in there. Oh my goodness. Okay, well. All right. So, as you can see, our garlic is very very cooked. Everything's been cooked through. Okay. And so that's some old-fashioned homestead soup. Thanks for watching.